Let's look at the steps involved in a typical secure manufacturing architecture. 1. In our demonstration, we have two firmware apps that live side by side in the MULTOS chip. The first implements the Device Authority API, and the second is the firmware that controls the device itself, in this case a smart meter. The code for the Device Authority API may be preloaded into the MULTOS chip during the MULTOS chip's manufacturing process. At the end of development, the templates for the apps are released to manufacturing. 3. The Device Authority API requires that each device has a unique registration key pair. This is used to authenticate the device during the onboarding process. It can be generated in the MULTOS chip itself by a private CA or by using an HSM in the factory. This demo uses the P3 HSM server platform from Barnes Smart. As well as providing the registration key, it has the capability to securely insert it in the correct place in the app's memory map. It is also required to do the same with the public key that ties the device to its owner in Keyscaler. Finally, P3 encrypts the whole app package. This data preparation stage can be done on a device-by-device basis or as a batch processing step depending on the needs of the manufacturing process. 4. Loading of the Device Authority API, now populated with the necessary keys, is done using the highly secure MULTOS Content Management System. Each app is fully encrypted such that only the target MULTOS chip can read and unpackage the code and data, and each package is signed to prove its authenticity and integrity. This is made possible by each MULTOS chip being manufactured with its own unique keys and serial number. 5. The public part of each generated registration key is sent to the Keyscaler platform using a web API call. The firmware that implements the smart meter functionality can now be loaded in the same way that the Device Authority API was. Note that it is also possible to give some unique data during this step, which may also be confidential. 6. The device then needs to be whitelisted on the Keyscaler platform. The identity information used is the serial number of each MULTOS chip and its registration public key. The device can be given a context-friendly name. In this case, it is the Meter Provider Asset Number, the MPAN. This step can be done manually or in bulk, and again, web APIs are available for this. 7. The device is then ready to be automatically onboarded and provisioned with its first set of operational keys. The operational keys can be those provided by Keyscaler for encryption or be keys from other IoT platforms that Keyscaler supports.